How to change pitch in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to edit by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your audio is loaded into the editor, go to the Effects tab located at the top toolbar. From the list of available effects, find the Speed option, and from the drop-down, click on the Pitch Change option. A new window will appear with several pitch adjustment options. You can change the pitch in semitones, adjust the pitch by %, or change the key of the audio. There are also presets available to quickly apply common pitch changes if you prefer. Use the preview button to listen to how the audio sounds with your selected pitch changes before applying them. Adjust the settings until you get the perfect sound, whether you want a subtle pitch shift or a more dramatic change. Once you are satisfied with the pitch change, click Apply to save the adjustment to your audio file. Finally, go to File and select Save As to save your edited audio while preserving the original file. And that's it. Now you know how to change pitch in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.